I just want to introduce everybody to our little bird. Come on, little bird. Oh, sweetheart. Oh, sweetheart. Oh. Daddy's sorry. It's just so cute. It's just so cute. You're just a cutie pie, aren't you? Yes. Just a cutie pie. Just a cutie pie. I know. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. Oh.